I got one! I got one!
Yeah, he does. He got it. One by himself. It's right there. Just keep it taut, Betty. Keep it taut. Attaboy. Attaboy. Good job.
Are you videoing?
Good job.
Good job, Betty. We're going to kill that one.
When it actually pulls?
It gets caught.
Hello.
Ethan, good job.
That thing.
You want to give him a name?
Fred?
You don't eat him, then you have to give him a name.
It's gone too bloody.
Bloody?
Dead. Dinner? We'll call him Dinner.
Lunch, breakfast.
Yeah, let's call him Dinner. Hello, Dinner.
Good job, Ethan. What's today? July 25th, 2012.
July 26th?
All by yourself,
Okay, look
too.
out, look out. Get your mom.
Yay, get my mom. Hello.
I don't taste very good.
Come here, come and get
You gotta eat it now you caught it. You
Ethan,
caught
what happened
this
to your
one
chest?
right
I scraped it up to smithereens.
To what?
I scraped it up to smithereens.
Smithereens? How'd you do that?
I don't know.
You were sliding on a light pole at the rest area? Had brackets at the bottom? Ouch.
No shoes.
Okay, you ready to throw us out again?
How do we sew it?
I got a pretty good string there going on.
Mom, let go.
I'm going to take a picture of the mountains.
Mom, let go.